咩食啊？甲佢點啊？
伊免找做工嘛，伊播放工啊。
What is my mate's name?
冇啦，播放工，唔是晚上播。
What's her name?
播
子琪。
就伊放工
子
咯，
琪。
放工咯，伊出過咯。
啊 ，baby 子琪。
然後但伊是規則是調半天，因為伊愛顆粒嘛。哦，you see，伊若伊袂調夠鐘，伊只是
What is Mimi doing? What is Mimi doing? Mimi sleeping ah?
Maybe it's tired.
Mimi got take milk or not?
只是你tired啊？你 tired？只是 tired？只是 tired 咯。
Mimi tired. She got tired lah. She got tired lah. Huh?
You want to sleep?
She got tired lah.
只是 tired。
Oh, you see drop already.
Give
You go playground, you play. I says go home. She said don't want. I
Oh,
said I'm very hungry already. Headache already. Head pain already. Head pain. Then you eat. So yesterday I tell her say in the house I said I want to go down there.